Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert a UI screenshot into a fully editable wireframe using MockFlow WireframePro in under 2 minutes. Inside the editor, click Ask MIDA, then click the plus icon and select Reference Screenshot. Upload your screenshot from the system, add a prompt if you'd like to modify or improve the design, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, MIDA transforms your screenshot into a fully editable wireframe. You can customize every element, continue designing, or export it in your preferred format. That's it. Try it out in MockFlow WireframePro and start turning your screenshots into editable wireframes.